What's up, Dan's Food Reviews? It's going to be a quiet one today because we're in quite a quiet shop. And there's quite a drunk man being a bit raucous. Not raucous, obnoxious. That's the word. But we're here at chicken shop, Miss Millie's, delicious. Let's try a fry with some chipotle mayo. That's really good. I love it when a shop has chipotle mayo. It's the best mayo. Triple chicken ball. Only singles here. Dare I say it? Better than KFC. We've got, what's this? A fillet or something? Tender? Select. That is very tasty Dan's Food Reviews. This is probably the best place we've been to so far. Some house gravy. Not so sure about that. And the raucous man has just left, so we can bring the volume up a little bit. Not so sure about the gravy, but the chipotle mayo is great. And finally, the Biscoff shake. The best thing here, if you're going to come to Miss Millie's, get the Biscoff shake. It's delicious. By flipping Jove. Get that in you. Dan's Food Reviews. See you in the next one.